Welcome to On the Road with Bill Holub podcast.
Hi, this is Bill Holub from Steam Trap Survey, LLC. Today we're going to be talking about drip pocket sizing. But first, let's introduce Jesse.
Hi, I'm Jessica from Branding with Jesse. I do Steam Trap Survey LLC's media, including social media management and marketing, podcast production, and video editing. Should all risers and low points be trapped, and why?
Well, we want to put drip pockets at risers. Anytime steam lines go up, condensate does not want to follow. So steam will pick up that condensate, causing water hammer, push it uphill, and start damaging, getting a lot of leaks, steam leaks in your piping system. So all risers should have a drip pocket properly sized. Low points in your steam line, if you have any, there should be a drip pocket there so that no condensate can pool into that area. What happens is steam travels much faster than condensate. Steam will travel over that condensate that's pooling, cause waves. Once that wave blocks the steam, that steam will pick up that condensate and it will slam it into whatever's in its way. And that will cause damage, if not possibly even break the pipe open, causing harm to personnel. Also, before control valves, you want to put a drip pocket before control valve, pressure reducing valve, anything that's expensive, because when you send condensate through those control valves at steam velocities, you're going to start damaging those valves, and you're going to be replacing them more often than you'd really want to.
How far apart should the drip pockets be?
How often? How often should you have a drip pocket in a steam main? About every 200 feet, plus or minus. You want to make sure that any condensate that's collecting because of heat loss through your insulation, through your steam line, your steam is much hotter than the environment, so you're going to have heat loss all along your steam main. So you want drip pockets every so often, 200 feet or so, 200 linear feet, and make sure the traps are sized right and working.
How should the drip pocket be sized?
Now, sizing of those drip pockets is critical. What you have is you have condensate traveling at the bottom of your steam line, steam traveling pretty much everywhere else in that steam line, and that condensate does not travel in a straight line. It's sloshing around, it's going left and right. So you need a drip pocket that's going to be able to catch that condensate every 200 feet. So you want it the same size as the main steam line. So up to 4-inch main steam line, you want a 4-inch drip pocket. Once you get up to 6-inch or 8-inch, then you could drop back down to 4-inch and keep it that way. You don't want to go below 4-inch, but if you're above 8-inch, you want to be at least 50% of that steam pipe size. So we're going to follow with a video explaining this, and then enjoy the video. See you next time. Thank you.
Drip pocket. Figures 14.9 and 14.10 show a steam line riser with the proper drip pocket and steam trap. All risers and elbows should be trapped. Drip pockets should be sized according to the steam main size. The steam trap should be installed to the side of the drip pocket. Steam distribution horizontal runs should be trapped about every 200 linear feet. If the condensate drip pockets are too small in diameter, then condensate will blow past the drip pocket. The application in figure 14.12 is missing a correctly sized drip pocket and steam trap. As such, condensate cannot be carried up the riser without serious water hammer.
Thank you for joining us. Look forward to our next podcast.